Where do your eyebrows go? Dude, it's dark in here. They're right here, man. Look. Look. It's just the lighting in the room, and I have a big eyebrow bone. Alright, let's go. Let's continue. I shouldn't have fucking looked at the preview. I shouldn't have looked at the preview. God damn it. Oh, I fucking ruined everything. Shit. The bar is real. Bar video. What am I doing up here? What am I doing up here? They can't even hear me. Should I try to communicate? Like, right? Like, hey, wait, look over here. Hey, everybody, look over here. Hey, you, wait, look. Hey, everybody, hey. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! I probably just look like a fucking psycho. Nobody's probably watching this TV. Nobody's watching this TV. I don't think anyone is. I hate them. It's like one little move, and it's like, dad. Even if it's not, I know that it is, though. It is. Your health is just too low. He doesn't have any instant kill moves. Okay, if I chop you up in a meat grinder, and the only thing that comes out that's left of you is your eyeball, you're probably dead. You're probably going to, not you, I'm just saying, like, if somebody were to like push you into a meat grinder and like one of your finger bones is still intact, they're not gonna pick it up and go, well, see, yeah, it wasn't an instant kill move. You still got like this part of your finger left. No, I'm not gonna put you into a meat grinder. I'm not gonna put you into a meat grinder. Do you honestly think I don't know the horse has a dodge 65 hours into the game? You've seen me do it like 100 times. You can't dodge them all. He's turning. Oh shit, he's turning. He just growled at us. Why? She had no health. What the fuck? You've got to be fucking kidding me. Oh my god, this is the worst thing in any video game that's ever come out. Without a doubt, this sucks. This is pure pain. It's just misery. This is miserable. Miyazaki, look what you're doing to us. Why are you doing this to us, Miyazaki? Please, let me out. Let me out of here, Miyazaki. I don't want to do it anymore. Did anybody play test this? Or was the game about to release and they're like just, oh, ow, my fucking hand. Ow. Ow, my hand. Oh, that fucking hurt a lot. Ow. Use Comet. Dude, Comet sucks dick here. Sucks dick. Shh, quiet. They're sucking me up.
Dearest Mikola, my brother.
I think my fly was down.
Sorry.
Oh my god. Did I just beat Malenia and show my dick on camera? I hope I didn't. Please. No, I didn't, right? I didn't do that. No. Oh my god. I'm in trouble. I think I'm in trouble.